Here we've got SONY Xperia 5.2, and let me show you how to change wallpaper on the following device. So first of all, you need to open the settings, then find and select appearance, and then go to wallpaper. And here you need to select the source that you would like to pick your wallpaper from, so it can be one from your live wallpapers, photos, or wallpapers. Just pick the album that you would like to pick your wallpaper from. I picked wallpapers, and here you've got the options. You can obviously pick whichever you would like to have. You've got static and also live wallpapers here. Just pick the one that you like the most. Okay, so Mobile Legends are not loading, but obviously you can apply it as well. So let me choose, for example, maybe blue. Then tap on Set Wallpaper and decide if you want this picture to cover your lock screen only, your home screen only, or both of them. I will set it up on both. And that's it. As you can see, from now on it is active and you have it on both home screen and also on lock screen. So this is it. That would be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.